Hello everyone, and this is the 21st day of Jiggy with Money, and we are wrapping up our 21 days journey today. However, the journey carries on, it goes on. So, with all of those fabulous calls that we had, the home place, the energy exercises, the activities, the body activities that we had, and the everyday tools, and a lot of churning that has brought up. That has been brought up in your spaces with all of those activities, home place, tools, and the calls and the potent processes, whatever that has changed for you in these 21 days in terms of money and otherwise, in terms of relationship, in terms of your body. I would love to hear your experiences, and let's start. Alka, can we have
Yes.
you?
Hi, my name is Alka Vaswani. I live in the US in Texas. I'm a businesswoman. I have several businesses here. Um, and I'm so excited to be part of this group and just sharing my energy with everybody. I have enjoyed this class so much with Arsha. First of all, I would like to share just, this is not one of my first classes with her. I've done several classes with her and I feel very connected to her. She's an amazing divine soul that has shared her love and light with us and given us so much energy through these classes. And I really feel she's a true angel on earth, giving her love and helping people grow in this journey. And I have done several classes and have done several things for my growth. Um, but when I met Harsha with the classes that I did was something so different that I have never experienced before. And it really made me realize, what we're holding in our bodies, how do we feel in our body, how to talk to our body, and things that, we connect with. So I've never ever done an abundance class. The Jiggy with Money was wonderful. Whenever she puts something on, I'm always there because I love her. I love her energy, and I love to experience, what it does to me. And every class that I've been part of has been a big change in me. So what this class has meant to me is really feeling abundant in my awareness, and really feeling in everything that I do, bring that abundance to me. I have seen lots of changes happen in my life. I have felt that I have become very lighter. So I feel things just come to me with ease and grace in everything I do. I also feel that I've had a lot of blocks that I have released in this class due to abundance, but abundance is not only money. Abundance can happen in so many different ways. So for me, abundance has been the changes. Money is one, but relationship is another one too. So I have felt a big change in my relationships. I have a lot more love into my relationships. I am dating somebody right now, and I've seen that things have kind of moved on the next level, and I feel that everything is just flowing in it and it's bringing a lot of love. And I know love is the highest vibration. So when we connect to love, when we connect to abundance, love is part of it. Love is abundance. So when you connect to love and grace and gratitude, everything happens in your life. Everything moves in your life. So I have really embodied that in my life. I have really connected and stepped into it, into my power. So for me, I feel this class has completely changed my life. And if anybody's thinking about doing this, if you're ready for a fun ride, if you're ready for a big change, to really get out of your own way. We need to get out of our own way to experience these things in our life. We are holding ourselves back. Our thoughts are holding ourselves back. Our emotions and feeling less of, not worthy of yourself. But we are so powerful. We have so much to share and so much to give back to yourself, number one, loving you and giving to everybody in the universe. So I have released a lot. I have stepped into my power and I feel I can do anything. And I want to thank you, Arsha, for this amazing experience. And to the whole group, guys, I've enjoyed. It's always in the morning here for me, and you guys in the evening. And I wake up, and the first thing I see you all. So thank you for your energy. Thank you for your love. And I'm excited to do some more classes with you all. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, Alka, for that beautiful share. Always looking so fresh and beautiful early in the morning.